All right, friends, this stuff is about to get real because in lesson 3.8, we're going to find the y-intercept and equation of a line just given 2 points. And then the other thing we're going to do is find the equation of a line using the point slope form. And then we're going to convert between forms of the linear equations. So this is a pretty big section. All right, so on the class portion, says, congratulations, your boss thinks highly enough of your organizational skills to put you in charge of a gala to benefit a local no-kill shelter. Find an appropriate banquet hall and are told that hosting 150 people, this looks important, will cost $6,500. And if you up the number of guests to 200, the bill jumps to $8,500. So if you make the reasonable assumption that the relationship between the number of people and cost is linear, do we have enough information to find a model for the cost? And I'm going to have to say we do, because 2 points determine a line, but maybe we don't have the skills that we need quite yet. So far, you guys know how to find the equation of a line if you have the y-intercept, that's the point that's 0, comma, a number, or if you have the slope. All right, so number 2 says, which quantity should be the independent variable and which should be the dependent variable? I would think that the cost would depend on how many people were being invited. So let's say that the independent is the number of people, and then the dependent would be the cost. Okay? All right, using your answer to question 2, write 2 points based on the cost information provided. This is such an important step. I mean, you could get all of the other algebra and all the other steps right, but if you don't have these 2 ordered pairs correct, then everything's going to turn out wrong. So we said the independent, which was the input, that was going to be the number of people, and then the dependent would be the cost. So there's our first ordered pair, and then our second would be 200, 8,500. And then, and then they want us to use those 2 points to find the slope of the line. So difference in y divided by difference in, oops, I kind of overdid that, didn't I? Difference in x gives us 2,000 over 50. And that should give us 40. Our slope is 40. Okay, and then they ask, well, what would that tell us? It looks like the cost will increase $40 per person. So I guess, each guest that you invite, right?